Welcome back. In this video we're going to have a quick talk about null pointers. Basically with our pointers, when we declare them, so if I've got a pointer and I go int star ptr, the problem here is that we're going to get some random address, okay, because it's uninitialized. And so we've got this PTR and it's pointing to some random location in memory. And that could be valid memory or invalid memory. If it's invalid memory, then our program will crash. And that's actually a good thing because we know that we've done something wrong. But if we try to use this uninitialized pointer and it's going to deallocate something that we have access to, it could lead to undefined behavior and lead to something that is unexpected in our program. And because of that, it's very useful to have null pointers. So null here is basically a pointer that represents that it is not a valid pointer, okay? I like to represent it or think of it as not an address, okay? Or no address, okay? So this null pointer gives us an ability to say that this pointer is not yet set or is not yet available or it can't be used at the moment, okay? Because we don't have anything else we can give it. If we give it a random value, that's still a place in memory. And so by using null, it gives us the power to say that this is not an address, this is not a valid address, this is not a valid pointer. And so we can check, is this pointer okay to use or is it not? Has something gone wrong? It will also force the program to crash if we try and dereference it, which is good because we know that we've done something wrong then, and then we can go and address that issue. Where if we had something that was uninitialized or some random value, it may crash, it may not crash, and that's a lot harder to solve. So to use the null pointer, you just write null in capitals. This is a macro that's defined in your standard libraries, and so you can use that wherever you think is necessary. It's a good value to initialize your pointers to, and feel free to do so. And you can use it in comparisons where you feel is necessary. All right, that's the null pointer. Thank you very much.